First, I'll give you a quick example of how to use the overlay in your daily prospecting flow. Then, later, I'll give you a detailed overview of the overlay. Let's say you sent this lead an initial message. Then, when you're going to the inbox, you see that the lead has responded. What you'll do is click the combo with this lead. You'll then see the overlay pop up here. If this contact is not already in your account, you'll see the Add Lead button. But as you can see here, this lead is already in my account because of all the information shown here. You can see that this lead is in the initial message sent stage of my simple all-platform book a call pipeline. Since this lead has responded, I'm going to move this lead into the response receive stage simply by clicking the stage drop-down, then clicking the right stage. You can see the templates assigned to the response receive stage here. I will then review the combo. I can either send an off-script message or I can use one of the easy access templates here on the extension pop-up depending on what makes sense in the combo. Since this person is asking to book a call, I can send them the booking link template. Hover over the booking link message template, click copy message to clipboard, go into the chat box, paste the message template, then click send. Then you're going to move the lead into the booking link sent stage, since we have sent this lead a booking link. The WhatsApp overlay should appear when you click into a conversation with a lead. If it doesn't, look at the instructions below this video to learn how to turn on your overlay. If the contact is already in your account, the information from your account will appear here on the pop-up. However, if the contact is not yet in your account, you'll see an Add Lead button. To add this contact into your account, click the Add Lead button. From here, if you want to edit the contact in a more detailed view, simply click the contact name on the pop-up. As you can see here, you can edit the basic, contact information, links, other, and custom fields and notes here. Once you're finished editing, you can click Save Changes. You can also edit some contact details from the extension pop-up as well. This signifies the priority of the card. This is the status of the card. This here is where you can add a segment if you choose. This signifies the follow-up date on this card. We can change it if we wish. This signifies the deal value. You can also access the leads notes here. You can click the trash icon to permanently delete your contact from the system. Now going down to the pipelines. This is the pipeline this lead is in, and this is the pipeline stage this lead is in. If you want to add or change the pipeline that this lead is in, you can simply click the plus button here. Then you can click the pipeline stages drop down here. Going down to the message templates. If you want to see all the message templates in your account, click See All. You can see them and also copy them if you wish from here. However, typically you would want to use the easy access message templates that you'll see down here. These are the templates that are assigned to the stage that this lead is in. So for example, since this lead is in the qualified prospect stage, the initial message template is assigned here. So if you want to use this easy access message template, just hover over it, then click Copy Message to Clipboard. Then you can paste it in the chat box. Then you can click Send. After you have sent them a message, you can move them into the correct stage. For example, we sent them the initial message, so we're going to want to move them into the initial message sent stage here. The pink buttons down below here will also access your message templates. As you can see here, you'll see the defaults up here for the stage this lead is in, an alternative assigns template as well right here, and then also all the templates in your account here. Feel free to use a search bar to find the template you wish. If you find yourself accessing the same template multiple times when a lead is in a certain stage, feel free to assign that message template to that stage for easy access in the future. If you need any help doing this, please reach out to support. Like I showed you earlier in this video, let's say this lead responds. You would move the lead into the response receive stage. Then you would see the message templates assigned to the response receive stage pop up. So let's say, for example, we want to send this lead the lead magnet. So then what we would do, we would just click copy message to clipboard. We would paste the message template here. We would click send right here, and then we would move the lead into the lead magnet sent stage. Remember, the overlay is a great resource for responding to responses from your leads. And the pipeline is great for reaching out to new leads and also managing follow-ups for those leads that have not responded yet.